Hi guys, so this is the breakdown for the Upwork job scraper. First, it's going to be a schedule trigger. So for me personally, I just do it manually when I'm looking for a job so that I don't have to scroll up, scroll a lot of things in Upwork. And I just target 100 items and see if how much it will match. So for this one, I'm using the actor job scraper. Ooh, I need to cancel. So I'm using this actor, Upwork Job Scraper by Matthew James. It'll cost you, as you can see, it'll cost you 25 per month. So normally I just rent the free trial and run and just create new accounts, but and then I run the free trial for 100 jobs. That's that. And then this one we get jobs from Upwork. No, I mean from Airtable, so that sometimes when you run it and you already have jobs here, you will find a lot of duplicates. So this one prevents the duplicates, and then we do some data managing here, so that it will check the duplicates, and it will only enter the ones that it will only process the ones that aren't in Airtable yet. Then it goes to a loop. So this loop will just process the item one by one. So the job post one by one, and this is and AI. This is the where the magic happens. So the prompt is specific to me. As you can see, I even have a name there. It's specific to me so that um, it will it will check the job description, and it will say I'm qualified or not. And then this prompt also has I also instructed this to create an icebreaker so that I can use this when sending a job in Upwork with my own Loom video. And that's that. Once it goes through this AI, if it says it's relevant, then it updates here, and I will be able to see it here, and then it just goes back to the loop again. So important thing is the Apify scraper, the Airtable, and your prompt. The prompt is very important because this will determine is if the job is relevant or not. So once I'm here, this is where I'll just check the Upwork post one by one to see I'm really if I can do it. And then if I want, I'll just go ahead and apply. So you can see I need to load some connects as well. But yeah, that's the breakdown. So let me know if you need help building this, or just ask the community. I'll try to answer as much as I can. Thank you. Hope you learned something today.